Holy Testicle Tuesday. Alrighty then, I have a package for you. I got a fever and the only prescription is more cowbell. Not gonna do it. Wouldn't be prudent at this juncture. Well, today in the land of the Snunks, the man with half a nose is king. Your presence intimidates me to the point of humiliation. You done messed up, Ron. Took it to a whole nother level.